Hey people, I'm the Broken Puppet and welcome back to my drawing tutorials. If it's your first time, make sure you click subscribe and click the little bell button to get notified when I put more videos. So I'm drawing this dragon. It's a very classic old school traditional American style dragon. So here we go. I'm going to start off with a circle. It's going to be basic to build up of his head. Everything's going to kind of build off of this. So from here we're going to create 3 other circles, 1 large, 2 small, just to get the right position for his nose and nostrils. And a curved line just cutting through that circle, and that's going to tell you where the eyes go. The eyes is going to be 2 big circles and a big curved line in the middle to separate them. Once you've got this done, we're going to create his moustache. Nice big bushy bit here, so he's kind of like whiskers or moustache, whatever you want to call it. And we kind of zigzag all the way around the nose. Once we've got this done, we have 2 little curves just coming off of his nose, just there. And a little bit of bushy bit just behind his eyes, so another bunch of zigzags just behind there. Once we've got that done, we're going to go down to the mouth. Now the mouth is this nice curved shape. It's going to loop back around, going behind the eye, curve down to the bottom, create a little loop just to create that bottom lip part at the front. Similar to the beard now, we're going to create the zigzag going all the way around. This one I'm going to have it kind of curving, so it's going to go in that sort of direction, so it's going to curve around, all the way around the chin part. These 2 loops at the back is going to be his horns. Very classic old school way of doing it. You want to keep them simple, smooth, just like that. His tongue is going to be this simple little kind of V shape that curves in the inside mouth, same with his teeth. You're not going to see the top teeth because the moustache is in the way. And once we've got that done, we're going to get this big zigzag coming down the bottom. And it's going to give us the idea of where we want to put his body. Now you can put it however you want. It's going to basically build the shape up of his body. It's a nice fun way to customise it, just create a kind of line you like. Once you've got that done, just create 2 lines, roughly about equal lengths apart, all the way around. And about this sort of position, I'm going to create his arms. So I'm going to create this sort of triangle shape, a little loop coming down to a circle. Now for each hand and claw and foot, I'm going to have 3 fingers, or 3 toes. And a little bit of bushy bit, little zigzags just behind the hand and behind the elbow parts. So the other hand's going to go around here. So if you imagine following from this arm, it go around the other side like so. 3 fingers just on the other side, just there. I go add the leg, and I'm putting the legs in before I decide the body and stuff, because like here, I'm going to put a little twist in it. The leg's going to go the opposite direction this time. Because where I want it to kind of fit that way. So the body's going to twist around and do a complete 180. So it's going to loop round, same thing with the claws, 3 toes, with 3 claws on the ends, with little zigzags just on the back of the foot. The other foot's going to curve around the back here, kind of like he's sort of kicking it out sort of thing. So just like that. So you can see the rough body shape is kind of building up now. We're getting roughly everything where we want it to be. And once we've got that done, I'm going to start building the spikes down the back. Now I'm going to bring them all the way across the back line there. And as I get around the front bit, we're going to sort of twist it around, because obviously it's going to cut through the body as his body twists. So there, just that little cut through the body bit. If you don't sort of twist the body, then you can just keep going down one side and keep it all parallel. I'm going to get rid of that middle line now, because you don't need that middle line now. And I'm going to create another line that's going to loop around like here, twist, just to sort of show where his belly's going to go. Because we have the twist in the body, the belly's going to twist around and go from one side to the next. And just put some straight lines come down to it, just kind of break it up. It's a real simple effect, but really effective. And once we've got that done, again, zigzags around the tail, a nice big sort of like flame around the bottom bit. And get some flames around his body as well, so mainly around his arms and joint kind of areas. And again, this really kind of cool pattern around his body. Now you can customize this pattern anyhow you want. This is a simple kind of like M shape with a second line inside it. And there's the flames. So I'm going to make the flames all going over to one direction. So they're all going to go behind him, going towards the right. And once I've got done, I'm going to pen it all in. So you can see the fine little details and slight little changes, like the little loop around the nose, the nostril, and an extra line just around the bottom lip, just there. The rest of it is pretty much the exact same as we just sketched in. So it's gone over the whole thing with a nice fine liner. Once we've got that done, just get ready your pencil work. You don't need that no more. And then we go to colour and shading. I'm going to start with the black shading first, so I'm going to come into the colour. So I'm going to put a bit of black just in the body here, a base build up. I'm probably going to elaborate on this further down. But I like to put a little bit of black in there first, put the colour in and see if I need to go any more with that. So a bit more black in the claws, just on the tip of one edge, kind of fading downwards. Just like that. I'm going to put some black coming from the back of his head, the other claw, and a little bit of black just at the back of his tongue. And I'm going to colour, so I'm going to put each colour in as I go. So I'm going to put most of the red in here, so in the belly, in the tongue. So just pretty much nice bold all the way across. Now here I'm going to use a nice deep green for the nose, back of the head, and a little pattern inside his body. And I'm going to throw in the yellow. The yellow's going to go on his beard, his moustache, and inside that pattern part, and in those little circles inside his pattern. The tail is going to be a nice orange, same as his spikes on his back, and the flames are going to be in reds. His horns, I'm going to do a nice kind of brown colour. I'm going to colour in his bottom lip as well, make that nice and black, so it's nice and thick. And a bit of yellow just coming off the end of his tails now. In the background here, I'm just putting a coffee stain, and I'm just putting a little bit of grey just around the outside. And just bolts out the body and kind of finishes it off. You know, the background isn't necessarily needed, you ain't got to do that, it's just nice little effects to make it a little bit more vintage. But that is it, people, that is how you draw an old school American traditional dragon. You know, I love these ones, you know, they're simplistic, but they're really effective, you know, they're really nice, bold, in your face, and they really stand the test of time. So yeah, I hope you like it. Check out my videos. I'm The Broken Puppet, and I will see you next time, people. Peace.